guys, so this video is going to be a little bit different. This video is going to be a review. I'm still tweaking this hair, I'm sorry guys. Yeah, but this video is going to be a review on some jewelry that I got from Jewelz by Jai. You guys know Jewelz by Jai is my jam. I wear their jewelry everywhere, anywhere. I love their pieces. Now I do have something to tell you guys. I can't remember exactly what these pieces are called, but it will be in the description box below. Right, let us move right along. Yeah, so I got 2 rose gold pieces and then I got 2 gold pieces. So these are the 2 gold pieces and it just has my name on it. It says Mrs. Henry. And the good thing about this these 2 that I'm showing you, that they're personalized. You can have whatever you want to have written on them. I could have Pomi written on them, my full name written on them, Jonathan's birth date, whatever it is. I could have anything written on them. So I just chose to get Mrs. Henry, and it's very flexible, as you can see. So I just slip it on and then I just bend it to fit my hand. Yeah, and also on it to have a heart right here. So there's a heart, then it says Mrs. Henry, which I thought was pretty cool. This is what the chain looks like. It's really nice and thin, and the nameplate just says Lyric on it, Lyric, which is so cute. I would put this on, but I need to have to put this on because my nails are short now. Let me try and see if I can put them on, put it on with my short nails.
Come on, girl. You got this, boo. Come on, honey. Gotta break it. Keep it. Yeah. So this is what it looks like on. So this is what it looks like on. As it just says the Lyric, and pardon this lighting, I am using natural light and it's kind of playing me right now. It's making my face look really light and my look really dark. Boo, pay that no mind, honey. But yes, this is what it looks like on. Really nice and dainty. Very nice, very dainty. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And these are gold. So the Mrs. Henry one is gold, as well as this one right here. So these are the other set. And this one is a little bit longer. Remember I had a gold one, it was a little bit shorter. And also we have this bad boy right here, and these are both rose gold. I love rose gold, and I love wearing these 2 together. I wear these 2 along with my rose gold Michael Kors watch all the time, and then when I'm wearing gold, I wear the gold set with my gold Michael Kors watch. So this one definitely I love it. The rose gold, though, is not shiny, it's matte. As you can see, it's not as shiny, it's matte, and these 2 work so well together. I love them. I love them. Yeah, so this is how the rose gold one looks, and I really love how it looks, to be quite honest with you. I have not seen I'm not saying it doesn't exist, I'm saying I haven't seen a rose gold set like this, and I truly love it. Jewelz by Jai, they have my heart. I love Jewelz by Jai. Jewelry, everything that they send me is always so on point and killer, and I definitely have a discount code for you guys, so I'll leave that in the description bar for you. But do check them out. They're on Instagram, Jewelz by Jai, and they are a woman-owned company. Whoa. So yeah, huge thank you to Jewelz by Jai for sending these to me. These were sent to me a very long time ago, and I'm just now getting around to doing it, so I completely apologize for that, Jewelzy poo. But yeah, so that's basically it for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.